What would be the answer?
Answer is some 0 point something होगा because numerator is less than the denominator, so definitely minus 0 point something तो definitely होगा. I have not calculated. 0.77. Okay, 0.77. It is less
इससे
than.
पहले 0.467 एक हमारे फ्रेंड से बताया था, इसीलिए
कि आंसर के ऊपर डिपेंड मत करो, आप खुद करो बिकॉज यू नो कैलकुलेशन आपको खुद करना है. हाँ ठीक है. Now I'll move to the next part is called the income elasticity of cross price elasticity of cross elasticity means we have to take two kinds of products. One is substitute product and another is complementary products. Okay, so two types of products we have to take. One is that substitute product, another is complementary product. Okay, now over here in this note, it is not details. It is not written in detail, so I'll tell you in detail. Okay, just a minute. Share करूँ इसको बहुत तो आपको अच्छे से है. Now, can you see? Now, can you see the note? Now, actually, we are talking about this cross means what? Okay, cross means what? आपको इसको थोड़ा सा concept clear रखना है. Cross means we are talking about two different type of products. One is substitute product. Please write down. I'm not able to write properly. Substitute product and substitute. Another is complementary. Please write by your own as I am writing, but it takes time. थोड़ा सा अच्छे से इसको लिख लो. Complementary. Now, what is substitute? Substitute means we are talking about where, like, we are talking about generally tea and coffee. आप खुद लिखो, मैं बोल देती हूँ. ठीक है. Coffee and complementary means क्या बोला? Complementary मतलब क्या? Petrol and vehicles and fuel are both complementary. So substitute product means what? We can get the same utility from one product in the place of the other product. ठीक? जैसे आपको अगर प्यास लगा होगा तो आप एक दुकान में जाके if you are not getting cold drinks, like if you are not getting Coca-Cola, so you can have Sprite, you can have another soft drink. So that means they are substitute to each other. That means the utility you want to derive from one product can also be derived from the other product. Both are called substitute products. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And complementary means without one product, the other product cannot, और अदर प्रोडक्ट का यूटिलिटी हम नहीं ले सकते. जैसे अभी मैं आपने बोला कि व्हीकल एंड फ्यूल, तो विदाउट फ्यूल व्हीकल कैन नॉट रन. अभी तो सब्स्टिट्यूट आ गया है. अभी तुम्हारा सीएनजी बाइक वगैरह आ गया है. तो जनरली वी कॉल इट कि फ्यूल एंड व्हीकल्स आर सप्लीमेंटरी टू ईच अदर. Another we can say the television and the cable connection are they substitute or complementary? Complementary. Without cable connection, the TV देखना ऐसे जैसे without net मोबाइल रन करना है ना. So it is what? It is now a way कि if you have a television, you must have a cable connection. है ना? Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am doing next part. So is it clear? Cross means we are talking about what? In that case, we are considering two type of product. One is substitute, another is complement. Is it clear? First part is over. Next part is done. Okay? Suppose if I talk about coffee in fire. So I'm writing just like this, huh? COF. So please understand, huh? Suppose coffee is equal to X and T is equal to Y. Is it clear, everybody? So now if I write that quantity demand of X, that means that quantity demand of coffee. And if I write P of X, that means the price of coffee. Is it clear? If I write quantity of Y is the quantity demand for T and P of Y is P of is price of T. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? So from here, what I am writing actually, वो कॉफी को हमने x के हिसाब से लिखा है और t को y के हिसाब से लिखा है. For our simplification, we can also write कॉफी t करके, but वो बड़ा हो जाता है. That's why we have written like x and y. Is it clear? Q का मतलब है कि डिमांड फॉर कॉफी, Px का मतलब है प्राइस ऑफ कॉफी. Is it clear? Similarly, QY is the quantity demand of P and price PY means price of coffee. Sorry, P. So whenever we are connecting the elasticity of coffee, we are connecting with price of Y. Similarly, when we are connecting with the P demand, we are connecting with the price of coffee. ओके, तो हम पहले क्या कर रहे थे? हम इसके साथ कनेक्ट कर रहे थे, है ना? कि अगर क्वांटिटी डिमांड इंक्रीज होगा तो प्राइस ऑफ एक्स क्या होने से क्वांटिटी डिमांड इसका इंक्रीज होगा. सिमिलरली हम ये कर रहे थे कि अगर टी का प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा तो टी का डिमांड क्या होगा. पहले क्या कर रहे थे कि कॉफी का प्राइस अगर इंक्रीज होगा या डिक्रीज होगा, कॉफी का क्वांटिटी डिमांड क्या होगा. But over here we are connecting with the other price, other product price, but substitute or complementary product का quantity demand. Is it clear? फिर से मैं
Yes, ma'am.
कि आप दुकान में गए हो, आप हर रोज चाय पीते हो, ठीक है? चाय का दाम है, एक कप चाय का दाम है 10 रुपीज, ठीक है? तो आपने सडनली जाके देखा कि आपका कॉफी सॉरी चाय का प्राइस 15 रुपए हो गया, ठीक है? सो आपने पूछा कि कॉफी है क्या, सॉरी क्या मैं कॉफी का बोल रही हूँ ना, पहले चाय का. तो आपने चाय का प्राइस पहले 10 रुपए था, अभी 15 रुपए हो गया, ठीक है? तो आप क्या करोगे कि बिकॉज चाय का प्राइस इंक्रीज हुआ है, डिमांड फॉर कॉफी इंक्रीज होगा. बिकॉज आप सोचोगे कि चलो 15 रुपए देके चाय कौन पिएगा, मेरा तो मन ही है थोड़ा गर्म पानी मीठा पानी पीना है मुझे, तो मेरा कॉफी भी चलेगा. तो आपने क्या किया कि वो जो कॉफी है वो कॉफी आपने मंगवाया. दैट मीन्स कि चाय का प्राइस अगर इंक्रीज होता है तो कॉफी का डिमांड इंक्रीज हो जाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं बोलो तो? What I'm saying, that means we are not here concerned with the same product and same product price. We are not dealing with the quantity demand of a product and price of the same product. है ना? We are connecting with the different. देखो यहाँ पे जो cross connection है ना, cross, देखो यहाँ पे cross connection हिसाब से मैं लिखती हूँ कि देखो कॉफी का डिमांड is depending on the price of tea. Is it clear, everybody? And similarly, the tea, what the demand of tea depends on that the price of coffee. Is it clear? Everybody, why is it called cross now? Is it clear? It is cross. है ना? With some product, the quantity depends on the other product's price. Is it clear? Now, I am going to the formula. I'm going to the formula part. Okay? So, how to write? Now, we have to write elasticity of
मुंह धोई
demand.
को नहीं तो फ्री लग गया होता
हम एक सा क्वांटिटी का डिमांड निकाल रहे हैं, but and we are taking it from our
जहिते ना तुम बेटा हो रच के ना था है तुम बोलो
So it is now. See, what way I have written? I have written elasticity of demand of A, where we are taking the price of Y. Okay? So क्या होगा? ठीक है. Very simple. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? The quantity of demand X divided by original QX into क्या लिखेंगे? The original of
कभी कभी
price Y
अद्यत
divided by
वेगांतन वेगा हक्के मस्त मान हक्के या मस्त चपाती मान पर चपाती में दे दिया दिन बुड़ के या ना की जगह क्या जब बिस्किट में प्लेट ना चिंता पहोड़ी नहीं का तो Dokter-dokter sih nggak rete kan? Saya nak kelihatannya nak. Iya tuh. Ayah mana ke? Arium deh. Hah? Itu mana? Bahar tak kotak tu sih. Rindian jenik. Hah? Ya ini pakai di kanan. Hah? Ya ini. Dah sih mana? Mana lah pada nanti betulnya.
Hello? Did you write that? That means what we are doing? What we are doing?
Charge
that
बस के
we
देखिए.
are considering the quantity of demand X and with relationship with the price of Y. Is it clear? Previously आप क्या कर रहे थे? With the quantity of demand X के साथ price ही X का ले रहे थे. है ना? Is it clear? Now what is the difference? What is the difference? Cost price elasticity. So we are taking the quantity of one product, but we are taking the price of the another one. Now you tell me, if they are substitute, products, मतलब कि like tea and coffee. अगर tea का price increase होता है, तो demand for coffee also increases. Are you getting me? Yes, ma'am. So the substitute for substitute product, the result is always positive. The result is always positive. Please write down. So whenever you get a result in cross price elasticity with positive sign, then both the products are substitute to each other. Is it clear? And for complementary, that means अगर fuel का price increase होता है, तो people think of not to buy vehicle because अभी जितना हो रहा है ना कि we are expecting कि आगे जाके पेट्रोल का प्राइस और भी बढ़ेगा, we better don't buy those vehicles which are running, which run with petrol. But we can buy the electronic bikes or electronic car which does not require any petrol. That means if well price increases means car demand decreases. Again, complementary way, suppose for example if I talk about the other cable connection price increases, then the demand for television may decrease. Is it clear? So for complementary, the result is always negative. So whenever you get the negative result, you will conclude that both are complementary to each other. If the result comes with positive sign, then you have to write substitute product. Yes, ma'am. So last mathematical question. So you just do it and just need to write it down. Last question. I hope everybody has got it. So I'm just stopping the sharing.
Pushpanjali.
Positively. That means substitute product. Correct. See,
Wi-Fi.
from the question we are getting,
Wi-Fi na.
price is increasing from 50 units to 80 units, where, sorry, price is decreasing from 100 to 50, but the quantity demand is increasing from 50 to 80.
Okay, so आप
So they are inversely related.
यही क्या है?
See that कि जब एक का demand is increasing but price is decreasing, that means they are inversely related. So when they are inversely related, that means what? They are complementary to each other. Because they are not positively related. As I have rightly said, कि tea and coffee. अगर tea का price increase होगा तो कॉफी का भी demand increase So both are positively related. So that's why they are substitute to each other. But when they are inversely related, कि एक जब price increase होता है तो दूसरे का quantity decrease हो जाता है. जैसे I have told fuel and vehicle. When the fuel price increases, vehicle increases the demand for car. Is it clear?
Online
So
online
here from the question itself we can comment
online में
कि
क्या
they
चीज़
are
है कौन
inversely related. Price increases
अच्छा।
but quantity demand decreases for the other one. So X and Y are complementary to each other. Is it clear? Maybe your result is 1 point something. That is one factor. But you have to also comment whether what way X and Y are related. Are they complementary or substitute? That also you have to write. Is it clear? Everybody, I'm asking everybody. Answer is -1.2. हाँ माइनस होगा. Obviously माइनस होगा. माइनस होना ही है. माइनस अगर नहीं है तो your answer is not correct. Because they are inversely related. And inversely related जब होगा तो माइनस में ही आंसर होगा. Is it clear? Now tell me who are present. From this 000 till 9. कौन कौन present हो quickly बोलो मुझे. 102.
पाइप पाइप
102.
नहीं पाइप अनंत किंबक
हाँ फिर. अच्छा you people are aware of the roll numbers. अच्छा 10.